Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. And y'all, Luvme Hair sent me this gorgeous unit, so we gonna dive right in, okay? Hey y'all, so we are going to dive right into this wig, okay? This is the Luvme All Day Comfort Wig. It comes in 3 different styles. The first one is a light Yaki straight, which is what I have, and that is available for pre-order. It does have a 7-day crafting, so that's why you have to pre-order it. It also comes in body wave and then layered body wave. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. This is one of the first innovative wigs that I have seen. It's a one size fits all, and I absolutely love that. It says online that it covers 99% of head sizes, from small being at 19, medium being at 21, and large being at 23. The smart clips in the back are amazing for all sizes. Not only does this unit have the adjustable combs for your head, but it also has combs in there. It has the elastic band that you can tighten or loosen, and it's a non-slip grip. The elastic band is for an all-day hold. The smart hooks are for all head holds. And it also has removable combs at the bottom. Y'all, you can take them combs out. I love that. It's also max stretchy for a fit snug. You can style it layered or you can just style it straight. It can be a C part, a middle part, or a side part. I love the C part option that mine came with, and it's just beautiful. The layers on this unit are absolutely stunning. The density is 180%. It is 100% glueless wig, and it's 100% human hair. Y'all know I love me some plop and goes on my channel, and this is exactly what this wig was, a plop and go. I put a little bit of my contour stick underneath the wig just because my forehead is a little darker than my actual foundation color. I went in with my Nairobi mousse along the edges just so I can make sure it lays flat. After that, I went in with a little bit of foundation on the part, and y'all, this wig was like so effortless, so effortless. I got this unit in 20 inches. This unit starts on their website for $129, but they are offering a sale right now, so it's $103 for 12 inches. For the 20-inch one that I have, it runs for $229, but they currently have a sale for $183. That is a steal. I went ahead and bumped the ends at the bottom, and that was pretty much it. This unit is a whole vibe. It definitely gives me Aaliyah vibes, 90s girl. I'm loving it, and I just love everything about this wig. Check out the description box below for more additional details on how you can get this unit. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.